So what is the trick to peeling a boiled egg? Ooh, that's hot. It's to do it not when it's hot, not when it's cold, but right when it's warm. I'll show you. Well, here I am, waiting for the eggs to cool off. It's an important step, so don't skip it. In the meantime, you can do something else. Okay, I think they're ready. They're nice and warm, not too hard to touch. Let's do it. I have a discard bowl like usual. I have a bowl we're gonna mix them in. Here's our eggs. Let's grab one out. Okay, just kind of give it a pat to dry it off. All right, and then what I do, crack it. Really good. Okay, and then over the discard bowl. When they're warm like this, they just come right off in big pieces. You can give it a rinse if you'd like. And then put it in the bowl. Okay, let's do it again. Just dry it off a little bit. Crack, 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 every which way. Okay, here we go. It'll just peel right off. I think it's because this membrane, the egg has this membrane on it, right? And when it gets too cold, it's like it gets stuck to the egg, so then you're fighting that membrane. But when it's still warm, that membrane just comes right off. See this? With the shell. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. See that? So then you're not fighting it, just trying to take the shell off the membrane. The whole membrane comes off in one piece, taking the shell with it. Does that make sense? Okay, let's try another one. So that's all it takes. Just wait for those eggs to be warm. Easy and quick.